Welcome back, everyone. Okay, so I'm now going to go over the rear section just to show you the quick detail that you can put on there. You'll notice in the box with all the hundreds of printed parts, and there'll be a bunch of bunny ears. It literally looks like a bunny. Okay, so I'm holding you on the end of a tweezer and you can actually see how they look. So don't throw anything away until you actually look through your kit properly, but if it focuses, that's how they look. And there'll be 6 of them. And where they go is on this part. 3 of them go into this area. 1, 2, 3. And this here goes into that area and sits there. Okay, now you'll see as well, there's 2 that look different. And it's very important that you actually make sure you put the right ones in the right place. So these 2 have got a thicker base with an angle. And the right angle over here. Crap, man. Let's. Would that be right? Okay, you can see it's got an angle on it. Okay, they go onto the actual Galactica body. So glue them. Let me adjust the camera into this gap over here. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3 small ones, 1 large one. Same on the side. Okay. As I've explained before, you'll get your cover for your screws that holds the back end in. These 2 screws, you get your piping that just sits in and closes it up. Okay, if you're going to glue the model together, just glue it in, but you don't need to. You might want to take it apart at some stage. Then the rear section is this little baby over here. Well, it is a little baby piece, isn't it? And it just goes in like such. Closes up that screw. Okay, you'll notice for the bottom, like in the previous video, that the actual 2 holes where the pipes were actually have covers. You'll see them in the list of all the parts. Then your obvious piping or plumbing, I call it engine plumbing. These ones that go in to this area, one on each side. Okay, another part that adds detail that isn't really seen on the series like a lot of things in this kit, but it was there, believe me, is this little hammer. Well, I call it a hammer. Get into the camera here. Okay, there is, I think, 8 of them, and they go between the engines, or the lower engines and the side detail. So let me adjust the camera over here. This area. Okay, so they go in. You see, there's a section, detail, open. Detail, open, detail, open. So it's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that goes in this area and leads up to the side detail area. Okay, so glue this on if you glue the engines on, because if you take it apart, they'll break. Okay, so I will do mine when I do my lighting. Right at the end, I might glue the engines on and make it one solid piece, the rear section, and then you'll take it apart, that will stay put. So if you put this on, glue the engine on. You might regret it. Okay. So the next video is going to be, I'll show the complete kit up to the point without the lighting. So I'm going to do the armor plating for the pods, and then I'm going to do the badge for the top, the BSG badge, because I didn't put it on yet. This one. Okay, so till the next one, guys. Cheers.